For context, what are all of the jobs that you've had in the hospitality space?
Man, I've done it. I've done dishwasher, I've done host, I've done manager, I've done server, I've done bartender, I've done bar back.
Hit the toilet bowls?
I've not been a bathroom attendant, but I've done some nasty shit in my life in the restaurant. I mean, in the nightclub and restaurant business for sure.
And that obviously serves you well that you've done everything, so you can ask anyone to do.
Yeah, and by the way, you could come to my restaurant, you'll see me picking up trash nonstop.
Love that.